Today I'm going to show you how to count your chain in crochet. Now it's important to remember that this loop that's wrapped around your hook, that does not count as a chain. If you look closely, you can see this V here. That V counts as your first chain. And you're just simply going to count all those V's. So here the first V is 1. Now second V, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So I have 17 chains. I'll say if I'm making a pattern that calls for 20, I'm just going to make 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. And that gives me my chain of 20. So again, you're looking at the top of the chain. You can see those V's. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And that is how you count your chain in crochet.